Hi there, my name is Ryan Henderson with Vickar Nissan, one of the product advisors here. Today I'm introducing you to the 2017 Nissan Rogue SL that we have available in our used car inventory. As you'll see inside, this vehicle is our top trim level here as the SL. It comes standard with the all-wheel drive, fully loaded, leather, power driver seat, power passenger seat, and all the bells and whistles as you can see, where you're going to have the 360-degree viewing camera, the Bose surround sound audio system, and navigation. As you see in our back, we have a power lift gate for the back of the 2017 Nissan Rogue SL. As also you can see here, very spacious for any cargo, for example. And we also have cargo compartments, for example, with adjustable shelves. Also comes standard on this vehicle, a tonneau cover. Thank you very much for allowing me to show you the 2017 Nissan Rogue SL. Any questions or concerns pertaining to this vehicle, feel free to contact me at our dealership at area code 204-669-0791, where customers send their friends.